When it comes to protecting your vehicle, it's important to know the difference between your insurance, your warranty, and a vehicle service contract like Ally Premier Protection. So let's break it down. Picture your car. You rely on it. You drive it every day, but you've had it for a few years and it's starting to wear down. You might think you're covered by insurance. Nope. Insurance helps protect your vehicle from things like accidents and theft. But since you don't want to be sidelined by a breakdown, you need something to help protect it from normal wear and tear. That's when your vehicle service contract, or VSC, steps in. It's similar to an extended warranty for your car and helps you pay for expensive repairs. Speaking of warranties, why isn't that enough? Well, the average warranty only lasts 3 years, while the average car owner is driving their car for 7 years. When you're no longer protected by your manufacturer's warranty, Ally Premier Protection can help take the wheel to help you avoid being on the hook for expensive repairs. Help protect your vehicle beyond your warranty with Ally Premier Protection. Talk to your dealer representative to get started.